As kasala dey burst for Ikpeshi community for Akoko Edo local government area, Edo State House of Assembly don sharply take action wey go help bring peace and order back. The wahala wey dey ground come from kinship palava and who get right to collect revenue for the area. This one don even lead to destruction of people property. For plenary wey shele on Tuesday, June 17, 2025, the Assembly under the leadership of Speaker Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku summon youth leaders and two groups wey dey cause the gbege. Speaker Agbebaku talk say the violence na serious matter and e no follow at all. He talk say e go against wetin Governor Monday Okpebholo dey try do to unite people and bring peace. Dem order make all the people wey dem summon show face the next day, June 18, for peace talk. Honorable Donald Okogbe, wey dey represent Akoko Edo 2 constituency, na him dey put in charge to make sure say all the parties show for the meeting so dem fit settle the matter sharp sharp.
Distinguished members, I also come to report not quite long about the killings going on now in Ikpeshi by two rival groups of that same Ikpeshi. Whether it's of land, don't know. So I want to appeal to the member representing Akoko Edo 2, because Ikpeshi is constituency, to please invite both factions to meet with the House. Let us know what is bringing about taking lives of human beings that they didn't create. So, member representing Akoko Edo 2, please, I want you to invite both factions or groups that are causing problem in Ikpeshi, because the governor is very, very out to fight such a menace, where people will start disturbing the entire community. Governor will take it. I will join him to fight this fight. Please invite them. Thank you very much.
After the Tuesday session, Honorable Okogbe yarn tori people say normal level don return for the community because security people don enter ground. He talks in an old wahala about who go be king and who go dey collect money for the area. On Wednesday, June 18, the people wey dem summon come appear for joint meeting of Committee on Public Petition and Committee on Local Government and Chieftaincy. For the closed-door meeting, committee members listen well to wetin the both sides get to talk. Chairman of Local Government and Chieftaincy Committee, Honorable Emakun Ade Esibo, come para say nobody gets right to remove any traditional chief. He clear say na only government get power to collect revenue, and he want Akoko local government chairman make e hold people wey dey do anyhow. Honorable Ade vex say this kind unrest no get place for Edo State. He talk say na personal interest dey cause the wahala and e no go dey accepted. He assure everybody say the committee go base their decision on facts and no go use any emotion. He come add say dem go soon announce dates for final resolution. After the meeting, Honorable Donald Okogbe still talk say Edo State House of Assembly stand gidigba on top say peace must reign for Ikpeshi. He won't see anybody wey try scatter the peace go face law, and he still talk say dem go soon announce new dates to conclude everything.
The House will communicate a date where both parties will come back and a conclusion will be given. Again, however, the House has directed that status quo should be maintained, peace should be built and sustained by both sides, and that further escalation will be met with very stringent measures, and that the very firm hands of the law will be visited on anybody involved in perpetuating violence or crisis. At the heart of today, and the takeaway from today's meeting, is that the House has directed that peaceful coexistence should continue and status quo should be maintained in Ikpeshi.
Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimo, TMC News.